California Live. Farm to table is a term we're hearing more and more, but one Bay Area restaurant got in on the action decades before it actually became popular. Our Malou Nubla is at Green's restaurant taking in the gorgeous views and plant-based dishes that have kept patrons coming back for more than 40 years. Hey, Malou.
You know, you don't have to be a vegetarian to come here to Green's at Fort Mason in San Francisco, and yes, the views are spectacular here. A little blown out behind me, but trust me, they have some of the best views in San Francisco. So let's bring in one of the best chefs right now. Hi, Katie. Come on in here.
Hi.
All right, so Green's is one of the original vegetarian restaurants in the country.
That's right. We were founded by the San Francisco Zen Center in 1979, and we've been celebrating vegetables ever since.
And as we were saying earlier, a lot of females have led this place.
That's right. I am the fourth female executive chef, the fourth in its history. We were founded by Deborah Madison, who went on to write many, many best-selling vegetarian cookbooks. Annie Somerville brought us through our farm-to-table growth, and now here I am.
All right, and you're very sustainable. We'll talk about how you do that here.
Yeah, so one of the best ways to be sustainable is to use produce that's in season and from your local economy. So we have a huge network of farmers all around the Bay Area, and on top of that, we like to use every part of those veggies that we're bringing in.
So nothing goes to waste. I mean, talk about how you use an avocado and you even use the pit.
Yes, we even use the pit. So here with our pupusas, we have an avocado and tomatillo salsa. So we're using the flesh of the avocado for our salsa, but the pits, we're actually saving them and we're using them in a cocktail. We blend them up into a syrup.
You can eat the pit?
Yes.
Yes. What does it taste like?
It's kind of floral, a little bit piney, actually. Yeah. It doesn't taste like an avocado, but it is good.
Okay, it looks very good. Okay, so what are we going to make here today?
So we're making one of the mainstay dishes on our brunch menu. These are called pupusas. They come from El Salvador, and they're really, really awesome. So they're naturally gluten-free, and you can customize the filling however you want. So it's a great way for us to change the flavor and keep it seasonal.
Okay, so how are we going to do this?
Okay, so first off, you need to start by grating your zucchini. Use the finest setting on either a box grater or a food processor.
Okay.
And then really important, you have to salt this and let it sit. So zucchini has a ton of water, and if we don't strain it, it's going to be a little bit too watery. So here you can see after it sits, all that water comes out. So you just want to strain that out either with cheesecloth or a towel. Then you have your strained filling. So that's what that is.
All right, so then what do we do here?
Yeah, so to make the filling, we just want to take the zucchini, throw that in the bowl.
Okay.
Then we have some cilantro and scallions. Those are mixed together. Some jalapeno and pumpkin seeds, and cheddar cheese.
Ooh, cheddar cheese.
And
is that traditional pupusas?
This is actually a traditional filling. There are some non-vegetarian fillings, but this one is pretty traditional. So we're just going to go ahead and mix this up here and make kind of a nice paste.
Look at that.
Like I said, these are really customizable, so if you're vegan or you don't like heat, you can leave the cheese out, reduce the jalapenos, and you're just going to kind of mush it all together until you get something homogeneous.
All right, okay, then after that, you've got the, look what you did here, you scooped them up, right?
Yes, yes.
Right?
So pupusas are really fun to make. They take a little bit of practice. I've prepared masa harina just according to package instructions.
Okay.
So first we want to take a little bit of oil on our hands and just kind of make sure that we're all oiled up here so the masa doesn't stick.
Okay.
Then we're going to take our thumb on our dominant hand and kind of press in the middle here, and we're going to make sort of a boat that's going to catch our filling.
Okay.
So just like that, push it out, beautiful. And then you take one of our little fillings, pop it in the middle, just like that.
So easy.
So easy. And then on the hand that you're holding the pupusa, I like to use my thumb to kind of hold that filling in place. We're just going to push that masa up and over, spinning the filling until you get something kind of like this weird volcano. It says do a little practice.
Yours looks better than mine, Katie.
You're doing great.
Okay.
Yeah. Once you get to this point, you kind of just close it up. Masa is really easy to work with. It sticks to itself really well, and it doesn't get firm like a dough.
This is gluten-free, right?
This is gluten-free. It's made out of corn flour.
All right.
So you're just going to kind of go back and forth.
Okay, and then you put it on the grill, and then how long do you cook that for? Just till you brown it?
Yeah, just until you brown it. So medium heat in a non-stick skillet for about 3 to 4 minutes per side.
All right, and then what's in your salsa here?
In our salsa, we have some avocado, tomatillos. Actually, the stems of the cilantro that we chopped for our pupusa filling are blended up in here as well. Some lime juice and garlic. That's it. Really simple.
All right, Katie, the taste test. Just rip it like this. Do I need a spoon?
Rip it and dip it. You're all set.
Say. Oh my gosh, it's really good.
Definitely
zucchini,
looks
I like it.
delicious. Thank you so much, Malou.